Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David again, and in this video we'll show you a tutorial of the Shot Scope. So the Shot Scope X5 Golf Watch is designed to help golfers improve their games with GPS precision and performance tracking. To get started, you must charge the device, download the Shot Scope app on your iOS or Android app, and pair the watch via Bluetooth to set preferences like language, units, and sync courses. So the X5 comes with club tugs that screw into the groove of each club once assigned in the app. The watch automatically distance or tracks which club you're using during play. On the course, the watch also provides accurate GPS distances to the front, middle, and back of the green, along the hazard, layup points, and dog legs, all accessible through its touchscreen. You can also choose between different modes such as GPS Plus, tracking for full stats. Also, you can also choose GPS only or shot tracking only modes. So, after that, sync the watch with the Shot Scope app to review detailed performance data like fairways hit, putting stats, strokes gained, and club distances with even deeper insight available on the web dashboard. You can also customize which watch faces and install firmware updates to keep the device running smoothly.